My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're talking about the Allwei Solar Portable Power Generator. It's a 300 watt lithium battery. Basically, it's a giant car battery in a plastic container. In this thing, we're gonna unbox this bad boy. The reason why I got it is because I got the 100 watt solar panels in order to charge the 300 watt battery. And I did that because we have lots of sun out here and it's a nice idea in order to generate your own power. So here we go. It says 3 charging ways: charge from solar panel, support MPPT, charge from DC 12 volt carport, charge from AC wall outlet. Portable power generator, lithium battery. Support kinds of devices: continuous power for the laptop, mini fridge, camera, string light, fan, table lamp, drone, tablets, and phones. They have a bunch of silly pictures on the side. Anyways, let's get to it. This is called Allwei. I bought this thing, again, this is not going to be a cheap camping haul. I do apologize, but here we are to unbox it, okay? Let's go ahead and unbox this. Here's the user manual. Looks like we may need this. 3 ways of recharging: AC wall outlet, 7 to 8 hours fully charged by 100 watt panel. That'd be what I got. And I mean, you can charge it via the outlet, but you know, hello. Solar panels. Using your 300 watt power station, press the power button or any port to turn it on. Enjoy, basically. Okay, cool. Foam. Don't need that. It comes with these fun boxes here, and then you need the user manual. So I'm going to tuck this kind of in here like that. Let's see what's in this first box. This looks like a charging cable, and I think it is. It's a charging cable. Come on out. Come on out. Throw that box down there. Here's the charging cable, and I bet this other box is the actual cable involved here. You know what I mean? So this just uses a typical hot surface, do not touch, do not cover. Anyways, this is probably the other piece of it for charging. Yes. This looks like you can charge it from your carport. So this is a cigarette lighter, it looks like. Perfect. This is the other part of the charging brick. This plugs into here probably in order to charge. Perfect. Looks great. Excellent. And this bad boy is the reason why we are all here. I'm going to put the box down there. The box is empty. Okay, but look at how cool this is. Whoa, this is neat. Display. It looks like there's this little cover. I'm going to take that off so we can see it more appropriately. Sheesh. DC2. Here's the input. Caution: do not overcharge the internal battery. See the instruction manual. Do not smoke, strike a match, or cause a spark in the vicinity of the power pack. Only charge the internal battery in a well-ventilated area. Do not use this product if the power cord or the battery cables are damaged in any way. Keep away from moisture or water. Do not use outdoors on rainy days. Great to know. So this is the Allwei power pack. I wonder, how do I turn it on? I don't even know. Oh, there we go. It's 99% charged. Oh, it says 99 hours. Okay. Oh, that's the battery. Oh, no, it doesn't say 99 hours. If I do DC 1, will it tell me? Okay, what does this say? Press the power button or any other port button to turn on the unit. When not using certain ports, it's best to turn them off to conserve power. Read the LCD screen to know which port is turned on. Okay, so this does say DC 1. Oh, okay. USB Type-C, DC1. Okay, wow. This is really fancy. Holy cow, I've never had something so fancy before. Okay, so each of these buttons here turns on and off a certain one. So you can turn on and off the display to start off with. I don't know if you can see that there. It's really bright out today. Anyways, turns on and off the display, and then each of these buttons turns on and off a specific part. So this turns on and off the USB, you know, and then this turns on and off the AC. And then this turns on and off the DC2. So if you wanted to do the input of the DC2, and then this turns on and off the DC1. It's crazy. Anyways, it tells you how many hours are left. As you can see there, it says 99 hours. It's kind of like low. You can't really, you can like barely see it. For me anyways. I mean, that is like not a very bright output. So if I kind of tilt it, I wonder if you can see it better in the camera. Anyways, 99 hours, 69% battery, output nothing, watts nothing. So I bet if I start charging something, it'll start putting it on here. So this is kind of cool. Okay, well, I think that's it. As far as the unboxing is concerned, that's all she wrote. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Sorry, my nose is running. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching. And next, we're going to be unboxing the solar panels in order to charge this bad boy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye.